Assalamu alaikum mathmates. Today we are gonna find lower and upper limits for xn equals cosine 2np over 3 to the power of n. For this reason, let's first identify which values gave us cosine. We put just instead of n 1, 2 and 3. So the angles are our angles 2p over 3, 4p over 3 and so on. You can express 2p over 3 as a p minus p over 3 and this one as a p sum of p over 3 and in that case it gives us 2p and so on. So cosine of these angles from the second quadrant, so that's a -1 over 2. These angles from the third quadrant, that's also -1 over 2. Cosine of 2p gives us 1, and after that the value is repeated periodically, gives our cosine these values. So we write here the values of cosine. In next step, in order to calculate a lower limit, we need to identify infimum of our expression. So let's get n as equals 2k minus 1 as a odd numbers, because in that case our multiplication may give some value with a negative sign, and for them we can get n when n equals 1, n equals 3, n equals 5. So among these values the minimum values is a -1 over 2, so we just put instead of this expression this value. Lower limit equals limit of infimum our xn, and it's equals in our case our base less than or -1, and for when n goes to infinity our expression goes to the 0. Supremum of our cosine, in that case let's get n as equals 2k, that's even numbers of n, so that's n equals 2, n equals 4, n equals 6, and among them, as we see, the maximum value of 1, so we just put instead of this expression 1, and 1 to the power of n gives us 1, and the limit of our supremum 1. By this way we have calculated the values of the lower and upper limit for our xn. That's all. If you have any question, please note them. Thank you for watching.